Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can select all your photos in Google Photos using this community help post. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this person has answered and they have answered perfectly. However, this answer is tied specifically to PC, and I'll be explaining for mobile as well. But on PC, what you need to do is go into your Google Photos and click on one photo. In the top right of the photo, you'll see a check mark. That is what you want to click, and then that photo will be selected. Then you want to press and hold shift and scroll down your Google Photos page or your gallery, and at the bottom of the gallery you will see whichever photo you want to select, or if you scroll down all the way to the bottom and select the final photo while holding shift, it will select the entire range from the first photo to that one, and that will select all of them. Now, as you can see, the already selected one will be dark blue, and the other ones, once you hover over the final photo, will be light blue. But once you click and select it, they will all turn dark blue, and they will all be selected. Now on mobile, you don't really have an easy way to do this. You can, I'm pretty sure, hold down, tap and hold down one picture and drag your finger across all of them, and that should select all of them. And if not, then you'll have to manually select each one. You just tap and hold one, and then you tap on the other ones which you want to select, and that is pretty much how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.